So actually, after the creation of P2P server, there are several generations developed. The first one being the index method. For the index method, actually, you are the client. When you send a request to a server and the server has responded and say yes to you, and you can directly get the file from other different clients, which has a more fast way compared to the traditional client to server method. And the next method is flooding. Well, the flooding is when you send the keywords, then the keywords will be forwarded to other clients. Then after you have enough node, then you will reach a stop point called the time to live depth. And the last one is the super peers. When there are actually several clients connected to the super peers, and the super peers are connected together, which means that when the client here fail to process, when the super peer here fail to process, then you can actually name to another super peer to get the file. There are several applications for the P2P. It actually benefit with rapid share of the information. The first thing is it has fastened the sharing of content. When you share a file, the content can be delivered through the network very quickly. There are several systems that making use of this concept. There are Netless, the Emu, or Akamai. And it's actually widened the sharing of storage by distribute the file system. And there are things called parallel computer grids that can shorten the time of sharing of CPU time. So to conclude, the information can be transferred at a more faster or a more accurate way. And there are several popular P2P systems on the internet. The first one being the Napsters, which use the centralized server that my teammate has mentioned about. It's actually music stores that use P2P to let the clients to download the music file. And the next one will be the Netless, which making use of the decentralized and flooding method as the P2P sharing. And the third one being the Casa. It's a hybrid of centralized system. And third one being the Freenet, which is a decentralized consensus system that distributes data. So to conclude everything, peer-to-peer system is an efficient way for several use. For example, the sharing of file. It's a scalable system, and it has a lower cost comparing to the client to server system, and it's old enough to be in a real case. But it's still not perfect in some sense that there's still some legal things you have to deal with. For example, the certificate or the patent, etc. And the security is not guaranteed. The performance is better than the client and server system. So that's the end of my presentation.